Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exit scaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you bend things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, bro, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1. A bingo and a bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without the tuition. We show you for free. Yeah, some people don't find value in free, but hopefully you can make money with the information I provide. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only, and I hope you are entertained. If you are, smash the like. Appreciate you guys. Crypto bubbles on the daily. I'm going to say hi to the chat in just a second. Crypto bubbles on the daily. River down 21.2%. Ouch. Hype is up 7.9. Anything else? Any big movers? Jupiter up 6.6. Nothing too crazy on the daily. This is the daily, guys. Let's go to the hourly time frame. On the hourly, we got some mixture, reds and greens. Does this mean Bitcoin's going up or down? I don't know. We'll find out. Let's look at the fear and greed index. We were at 16 yesterday. Now we're at 20. We are up 4 points. Let's go. Is it moon mission time? Well, we'll find out in a moment. Moon mission, I don't know about that. All right. So right now we have the liquidation heat map, 24-hour time frame. Thanks to our good buddy Al. We're going to change this to 0.5. He is a very talented and experienced trader, and he gave us this information, this tip to reduce the threshold. I didn't even know it was here. It's right in front of my face. I didn't know. He also told us about this, the check mark, so we can look fancy. And then Crypto Change Me told us how we could not only be smarter, but look smarter. Look at this. This right here, newbie. What a newbie. What a noob. This one, pretty cool. This one, my IQ just went up 20 points. I like it. This one, newbie. So we're gonna go to this one. So we look smarter. We got this right here. We got the color. Let's go. 24-hour time frame. Ooh, going sideways. Hey, we got Crypto Change Me. This is the man, the myth, the legend that told us how we could look smarter by having it in blue. I don't know about you, but I feel smarter already. I really do. Not only does it look cool, but I feel smarter. I like it. This one, what a noob. So boring. This one, let's go. You can see it clear, really clear. So I feel smarter. I don't like this, just up, down, up, down, up, down. The more it does this and the longer it does this, well, what are we doing? We are building liquidity to the upside and the downside. How is this being built? Well, people are shorting and they're putting their stop losses here. People are longing, they're putting their stop losses here. The more ups and downs, the greater the liquidity gets. And then eventually it might come down, take this, to come up, to take this, to maybe come back down. So we just got to see level by level. Newbie Crypto says, what trades you in, Joe? Share the gains report. I just entered, like literally right before I went on Crypto Coin Mindset. We do that every Friday. I used to be there at 7 p.m. Eastern. That's when it starts. But due to my mining fiat, I can get there till like 8, sometimes a little after 8. But we were there, myself, Crypto Coin Mindset, CCM, Keith. Of course, he's the host. We have JR. JR was there. Shuby. I love Shuby. Crypto Badell. So we're all there. Sometimes more people show up and we just kind of have a round table and just talk. But while just right before I got on camera, I entered Hype. No, is it Hype? Hype for a long. We were shorting it. We killed it. Ooh, we killed it in the group. The VIP group, we killed it. Love it. And now we are doing, well, I didn't post it for the group just because it's kind of risky right now. We need to have more levels created. And I don't know if I'm still in the trade or not. I had a really tight stop loss on the 3-minute time frame. We can walk through it if you like. If there's any coins that you have, let's look at them. Hopefully we can get into a trade today. Let's go. Let's go. I know y'all are all interested. We want to see you trade. Well, when there's an opportunity, I take it. So sometimes the more you watch, the more you'll see it. Or there's like, oh man, this one's good. Let's get in and we'll do a setup. But if not, it's just, we got to wait. We got to wait. Let's go to the 12-hour. What does the 12-hour say? Same thing. We're right in the middle. It could go, literally, it can go either way. I don't like these odds. So we're going to look at Bitcoin in just a second and kind of see what we think might happen. We don't know what will happen. We just have probabilities. Ooh, sexy. On the 3-day, look at all this liquidity being built to the top side. Sexy, very sexy. Does it mean that it will go up there? No. Chance that it might though, especially if we start breaking these levels to the top side. And because we break the level to the top side, does it mean that we will 100% get to these levels? No. we could start going up. Everybody starts going long, doing really crazy leverage, and then the market maker could just make it dump and take all the stops that are down here, because this is where they're going to build them. About 83.1. Give you a heads up. And we're getting our steps in, guys. We are getting our steps in today. Let's go. Let's look at the weekly, just for funsies. So we're looking at the weekly. Again, really bright up top. Really bright. Really, I mean, there's some to the downside, but it looks really bright up top. Let's look at Clash really quick. Right now, Clash is finding support on this level that we marked out way over here at 0.05347. If we hold this support, good, we can continue the moon mission. If we break below, kind of dangerous, because it could start getting into this range again. And then what we definitely don't want is a break of this zone. We break this zone, uh-oh, we don't want that. Let's look Bitcoin. So yesterday we were here before this dump. So of course I want to be very transparent with my thought process. Yesterday, I think we were here and the green was showing. This was, I believe, in the morning, I think. And I did this for my VIP group and also the free Telegram and free Discord. We were here, not here. We were here. And I'm thinking, okay, we have this wick. See, let's zoom in. We have this wick showing and the price starting to go up. And I'm thinking, okay, we might, again, I don't know, we might come up to this point of control to potentially come down, more than likely break the value area low, bounce off of this bounce zone, and then roll over. This is my plan A. This is what it was yesterday morning. Now, can it change? Of course. If we break the point of control after a pivot, then okay, more than likely we'll play out this. But right now, I'm thinking we're gonna go up, or yesterday anyway, go up to potentially roll over. We got Crypto Squid in the house. What's up, man? Crypto Squid. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you being here. Looking forward to your next live stream. Dude absolutely kills it. So, Newbie Crypto, check out and subscribe. If there's any admins in here, can you put Crypto Squid's link? Crypto Squid, he does live trading. So definitely check him out. Have the notification bell on for all. So you can ask him to, because like he does scalp trades. He doesn't do like swing trades or nothing like that. Like he's in and out. And I think you'll really like him, Newbie Crypto. I think you really will. But I was completely off. I thought we were going to go up from here. What do we do? Came all the way down. Nice. Buying pressure wick. Then this next one, buying pressure. 4-hour time frame, buying pressure. Now we're coming up. Now we have to see, are we going to get rejected off of this zone or potentially break through it? Now, I do think we're going to break through it if we do a fib retracement, magnet tool from the high to the low. This is the 3-2. I would like to see price go to 0.5. So this is on the smaller time frame. What I showed you, this was on the daily. So of course this is more macro. And within these straight lines, there's a bunch of ups and downs that make the straight line, or they're called extension legs. But what we could do, we could from here, I mean, there's a lot of buying pressure. I would think continue going up, maybe to 0.5, maybe to this box, but let's just say 0.5 to the 382 to continue up to the value area low, and then continue this route. So we'll do a yellow just as an update, and the 382 level, which is actually where the zone is at, where it starts at 84.770. Then the 0.5 level, where I think we may, hit our head, is 85883. So we'll see. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, I thought you scalped since you said you scalp in JR's Discord. Newbie Crypto, are you trying to call me out? Let's do a trade. Give me a coin. Any coin. Let's do it right now. Give me a coin. Joe, you getting mad? Nah, just trying to call me out. Give me a coin. It doesn't matter. It can be a poop coin, hopefully not. But any coin. Sui, Hype, Hyperliquid, or the same thing. Virtuals. Hopefully not River. We can do River though. What other ones do I have up here? Any coin. Name a coin, Newbie Crypto. We will take a trade right now. Let's go. Let's do it. And I do scalp. I scalp, I swing. I'm not doing the investing right now, but I do that all the time. CCM raid, let's go. But pick a coin, newbie, and we'll do it. We will take a trade. The only thing is I can't take it on this computer, which is so dumb. I have to do it on my other computer, but I will show you that I'm in the trade by putting because I always take a screenshot of when I enter, so you know my my entry price. So Farmer, what's up, Farmer? We'll look at Sol, but I want Newbie Crypto to give me a coin. So do I have Sol up here? I don't think so. Okay, so for Bitcoin, what I think is going to happen, I think we're going to go up. Even though we're coming down, I think we're going to go up and hopefully do this. But let's do this. Oh, nope, wrong one. Default is where I do my for my group. Let's change this to YouTube. We're on YouTube. Let's look at Sol. Let's go to Blowfin. Solana. Let's go 4 hour. And double click. Okay. So here I thought we were going to go down. From here I thought we were going to come down and then completely wrong. To the moon. And then broke the level. Coming down. Oof. Ouch. Dump City. Oh man, the heater's really working. Newbie Crypto. LOL, I love it. No, I'm serious, newbie. Give me a coin, any coin, and we'll trade it. Let's go. We'll get everybody in it. Or at least to see the trade anyway. Dump, pump, dump. Man, that looks ugly. So here. We got CCM with the viewers coming on in. We got a CCM raid coming through. I absolutely love it. Oh man. Right now it does not look strong. I would really have to see what it does. Breaking the 0.5. Let's go to the very top. I don't know if that's the very top. I'll zoom in. Oh, it is. Okay. So right now we're at the 382. I want to see if it comes up here to the 0.5. Let's see. Up. Lots of buying pressure, just like Bitcoin. So pretty much the same scenario as Bitcoin. I want to see if it does this. But it's been doing nothing but look. Okay. So what I see, a lot of opportunities, missed opportunities. This is, we went up, came down, broke the high, went up, came down. It didn't break the low. So this is what I really don't, this is the thing that I look for. And I don't want happening. I don't want this low to be broken. Comes up, down. If it breaks this low, it's okay, but we don't want to break this low. Comes up, down. If it breaks this low, it's okay. We don't want to break this low. This one is, it's really close to this one. Then we break this low. This is our first, oh crap, level 1. Oh crap, level 2. Oh crap, level 3, and and we haven't gone to the upside. We're not breaking these highs. High here, not broken. Here, not broken. Here, not broken. Here, not broken. Then here, which is way up here, So what I think, until we break this high, we could continue this down. So we come up, down, up, and then we end up doing another lower high. And I'm looking at this area right here. I don't even think we'll get to 786. I'm thinking here for maybe another reversal. If we break the 786 and still do a lower high, it's fine. But now we have the potential of breaking this. So from here, I do think we're going to go up, only to potentially reverse either here at this level. Red. Pick a coin, any coin. That's no fair. You give me a coin. Give me a coin. JR says Squid stood us up 100 USDT or friends off. Uh-oh. If there's a no nonsense, there you go. Let's go. Let's go. CCM raid in the house. What's going on? So here I'm looking for a potential reversal. You know, for us to come up and then roll over. If, let's take this off. If we break above the 786, I think we have a potential of continuing going up. But I do like these buying pressure wicks. This one's a little bit of a tougher one. And this is on the 1 hour. Just because, man, it looks horrible. Absolutely just horrendous. And then just a huge drop. Not, you know, level. Johnny December in the chat. What's going on? What is going on? So for here, Solana, I do think that we're going to break the 382, which is 118. I believe that we're going to come up to potentially the, I call this the Hot Pocket Plus. People call this the Golden Pocket 6.5 and 618. For me, the Golden Pocket is 0.5618, but all these new traders, they move the goalpost. So I call this the Hot Pocket Plus or Golden Pocket Plus. And when you say Hot Pocket, you got to go Hot Pocket. So they're going to come up to here and then potentially, I'm looking for something like this. Bounce here. This will look nice. To come up to try to fight for the 786. But I don't think we're going to come down. Now, and of course, all this is, and this is the part that I hate. All of this is subject to Bitcoin. If these coins can have bullish divergence, it could be bouncing off the 200 SMA. It could be, bouncing off of the point of control. It can have all these inverse head and shoulders, all of these bullish patterns. Everything could be crazy bullish. And then Bitcoin rolls over. Well, all the coins roll over, more than likely. The majority of them. And then no matter how great your setup is, it rolls over too. But from here, I think Solana might come up to around 120, retrace to about 118, to continue up to right around 121, 122, before potentially pulling back. And then here is where we want to see. And what I recommend, ask about this tomorrow. And let's just see if, well, I don't do that one. I do this one. This is the decision point. And let's just see tomorrow if this thought process played out, or if we just rolled over and broke everything. Because again, I don't know what's going to happen. But this would be our decision point to see if, okay. But from here, I think we'll go up. Now, if we were going to do a trade on this, I'd go a 15-minute time frame. I look at this. For me personally, now if newbie said trade SOL, I'd be forced to trade SOL. I don't like how it looks. To me, it is too wishy-washy. I mean, look at all these, like people who are taking longs probably have their stop loss pretty tight. They just got stopped out. I don't like this price action. I don't like the movement of it. Let us look at virtuals. Let's see if we can get to a trade. But if I had to, so I see a couple things. It's drawing lines with my eyeballs right now. None of them really connect. But we'll do this to this. And none of them really connect here. Yeah, they really don't connect. Like, I can't even really do a trend line either, because all this is a liquidity area or a potential bounce area. Me, I don't like it. Like, if I had to choose, I would not choose this. So let's look at another one. Let's look at Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid. Let me see if I got stopped out. Oh, I got stopped out. God dang it. Yeah, I got stopped out. I entered, what, an hour and a half ago? So let's see. From here to about, oh, I got stopped out quick. As soon as I entered it. I probably have my stop loss somewhere right here. Boop. Stopped out. I was trying to see if it would continue. Oh, wait, did I do that? Is that hype that I got into? Pretty sure it was. Yeah, ooh, it's getting hot in here. Let's see here. So it looks like it wants to totally dump. Yeah, it doesn't look good, man. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I think it'll come up before rolling over, though. We'll see. Let me look at hype again. So let me delete all this crap. Delete. So hype, we took the short. I think it was up here. This was aggressive entry. This was safer entry. Here was our target about. Killed it. We moved our stop into profit and cover the fees. We got stopped out on these candles. First target was hit, and looks like it wants to come up. We had a nice pump, came back down, beautiful retrace. Now, if it breaks this level, I'll be looking to re-enter a short. It breaks 30.622. That's the level I'm watching. Let's go 15 minute. So it's like a zone. Let's do here to here. So we are a zone. I was actually hoping to go up a little bit more to come down to go up. Let me just verify. With the fib retracement. Oh, it did hit the 0.5. Came really close to it. It's a nice retracement from this extension link to. I don't know, guys. I want to enter a long. Now, if it rolls over this, then pretty good opportunity because for a short. Oh, look at that! And it's a W2. And we retested it. Ooh, sexy. We retested this trend line right here, or level rather. But if we break it within the support, not holding, and then more than likely we'll come after this around 28.65, and then look at all this it can come for. 27.46, potentially 24. But sometimes these coins that have a lot of FOMO, it'll cool off a little bit and then it'll continue up again. So that's what I'm looking for. I wasn't expecting this nice pump that's got it stopped out. I was looking for us to come up, make a lower high, roll over, break this level, continue to our next target. But on the 15, 3%. There's where my stop loss would be. Well, oh wait, I want to see something else. Cancel from here to here. Oh, this went into our golden pocket. I like it. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna have my stop loss right here. I'm gonna be right back. So I gotta do my stop loss. And oh, so this trade I am going to enter. Of course, there's a 30-second delay on average, sometimes 15-second. So I don't want to be one of those where it's like, oh, I entered the trade, I moved my stop loss, I'm in profit, I took my first target and trade closed. What? So give me just a moment. I'm gonna enter this trade, and I'll show you my target in a second. 1 second. Let's see here. Where's the camera? 1 second. All right. So 30.22 to 30.22 to. Okay, hi. Oh, I'm still in it. Dang it. I'm still in the trade. So 1 second. One second. And I'm gonna show y'all something. This is Becca. Becca is being a bad girl. She was on my computer. She started getting on there again, but now she's famous. This is Becca. She loves love. Little one, there's no way I could do this. He would be squirming. Okay, so hold on. Dang it. It's moving. Okay, so I can't get into the trade. I'm already in it. So I will look for another one. But here, this will be a setup for y'all if y'all want it. So of course, here's our stop loss and our target. But I just entered it. I'm in the negative. I forgot. Either 1% or 11%. There was a 1 in there. I think I'm doing probably a 1%. So it's almost a 2-to-1 risk reward from where I caught it. So right here. And even if you get in right now, stop loss is still about 3%. Let's see here. That should be a target. But we'll look for another one. Give me another coin, guys. Oh, you're welcome, farmer. You're very welcome. We got everybody leaving. What's going on, y'all? You like Becca? Becca is a cutie pie, and she loves love. She cannot get enough love. Let's see here. Target. And give me another coin. We'll do it. But I don't want to mess up this the trade that I'm in. I don't want to cancel it at a loss for this entry. But give me the virtuals. I don't like it. Could it go up? And sure. Go into this range? Sure. I don't like the price action. It's on the 1 hour. AMP? Okay. We'll look at AMP. Oh, it's not on futures. USDT.P. Okay, let's see where it's on futures. MEXC. Let's go. Oh, nope. I don't like it at all. 100%. This is a poop coin. This is a coin with extremely low market cap. If you don't believe me, we can check. We can check right now. We can check. AMP. I'm going to say, man, I want to say under 100 million market cap. AMP. 147 million market cap. Can I get some bingo bangles in the chat? You know, I said under 100, but you know, that's pretty darn close. I don't like it. Can you make a 50x? Sure. All you need is one of these people on X to say, look at this coin, guys. Last time we traded it, we made 30x, blah, blah. And they'll pump it with all their newbies or their normies or whatever you want to call them. And they'll pump the coin because it is so small, it can easily be pumped. And how did I know that? From just looking at this. This is poop. This is and not to like poop on your coin, absolute garbage. Can you make money on this? Sure, of course. Heck, I can make money with scratch offs too. But this is absolute garbage. Getting in and then getting out may be difficult. I have a video about order books. And this one, Farmer? Or who did this one? I forgot who did this one. Joe, it's on the thing. Can't you see? No, I can't see it. Did y'all delete it? AMP. Anyway, yeah. This is a hard pass. Definitely no. Definitely no. Let's do ADA. Newbie Crypto, I'm still waiting for your coin. I'm waiting. Bluffing. Cardano. We've been looking over here. Plan A was for it to go up. This is when the market was okay. Or starting to look okay back in November. And of course, you know, we have our plan A, plan B. Watch out for this break of the level. Didn't even create a level. Just went right down. And then here's what I'm at. This thought process was to where we're gonna bounce here and then start our way. When we were way over here in November, it came over here a month later to the area where we thought we may stop coming down to start going up. And then now it's rolling over. So let's go and delete all this. 34 drawings. Get out of here. Man, Cardano looks horrible. Dave P in the house. What's up, Dave P? Let's see here. Put a 1 in the chat, guys. Put a 1 in the chat. Let me know you're here. I want to give you proper shout outs. Put a 1 in the chat if you are here. I want to give you proper shout outs. Man, Cardano, what in the world is going on with you? November. And then December 2nd, we had a really nice high of 132.58. We can see that right here by these numbers. Oh man. And now you're at 31.92. We got Dave P in the house. What's up, Dave P? Appreciate you, man. Love you, dude. Love you. Let's see here. We got Johnny December. I love it. Johnny December. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are absolutely amazing. Showing your love and support for another trader. You guys are crazy. I love it. We got Shep 3333. I love it, man. Shep, the one, the only. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. AMP. Yeah. It might not be a poop coin, but the TA is poop. Could it make a lot of money? Could it have a fundamental Could it have a fundamental score 10 out of 10? Sure. It's not showing it, not on the charts. And here's the thing too, like your coin could be, and like not to poop on your coin or on a coin, because I don't think you gave that one, but the coin can have great fundamentals. Link, look at Link for freaking sake. Link is amazing. I love Link. And you have Turbo with more gains than Link at times. I mean, you can't blame it. It's a turtle called Turbo. Anyway, so yeah. But Cardano, not looking good at all. Looks horrible. It looks absolutely horrible. And we got a lot of wicks on this level. Could this be a bounce? Only to go further down? Possible. Possible. Yeah, and it's funny too. Like for me, if I see a coin like AMP, I automatically, nope. There's other traders out there, like Road Dogg, for example, and he would love that because he sees the potential to the upside. For me, I see the potential to the downside. Or even if you did get in, trying to get out may be hard or difficult. Depends on how much money you put in. If you put in $20, $50, sure, easy. But if you put in 5, 10 grand, which I would not recommend, but none of this is financial advice. You'd be like, oh, it's really hard to get out. You'd have to have a lot of sell orders, a lot. Let's go to daily. And so here it looked like potentially the bottom. Then we went lower. Then we broke the high, great. Then we did not break this low, amazing. Then we broke the high, let's go, moon mission. Uh-oh, crap level 1. Oh, crap level 2. And then this one, I wouldn't call it oh crap level 3 because it barely broke it. This one I wouldn't call oh crap level 3 because it barely broke this one. But then, oh crap level 3. Not good. Because we have oh crap level 3, there's a chance where Cardano could come up to the midline of this range, which also corresponds with all these areas of this internal or mid box. So we could come up here, about midline. Me no likey. In order for me to even consider Cardano, I would have to have it break above 0.4696. So that means if you entered right now, you would make a whopping 26% more than me. Ooh. 55% more than me. You would make 55% more than me. And I'm okay with that. I am okay. Because what could happen, and again, I don't know, but what could happen, let's say you enter right here. Price goes up, down, but it doesn't break the level, doesn't break the zone, comes up, down, comes up, down, comes down, up, and does this, and then maybe does this, and then maybe does this, and then maybe does this. 3 months later, boop, you made 55% more than me. However, in these 3 months, I made money trading other coins instead of holding this coin. So for me personally, I would literally have to wait, and the people who enter right here will get 55% more than me, and I'm okay with that. I am 100% okay. But it does not look strong. Not at all. There are so many other coins that have strength in the price action. This is definitely not one of them. We have yet to Like when we do break a high, we break the low. So now this is the high we need to break. And we haven't done it yet. We haven't even tried really. You know, here we did kind of like a double top. We broke this. Uh-oh. Oh crap, level 1. You can start it all over again. Oh crap, level 1, 2. But this is really where it kind of started having a chance of potentially rolling over. Plus, this zone gives us this, as far as the kind of official, like oh crap level. Not looking strong. Could you short it? Personally, I wouldn't. Joe, you wouldn't do anything. It could go up. This could be the bottom. What I need to see is if it goes up, comes down, breaks this level, then yes, I would short. So a circle with a slash through it and it being white means safer entry. If you enter right now, this would be aggressive, because what could happen is it could go against you. And it already moved down. So the movement I'm looking for on all coins is not this for a short. Down, down, side, down, side, down. It's just all down. What I need to see is I need to see an up, then a down, which creates a pivot. We break it, now we get into it. So that is my thought process on Cardano. Let's see here. Steve says, bingo bango. Yes, I'm gonna drink some drink. I drink some drink. Oh, that's good. That is good. Let's see here. No coins, guys. Oh, look at hype. Hype is going to the moon. Do I expect it to kind of keep on going up? Nope. Now, I would expect it potentially come up to here, then pull back about here and continue. On this pullback, this is what decides, oh, do I need to move my stop loss to just, you know, not risk this much? Because if it rolls over here, if it does this, if it rolls over here, it could do something like this. Oh, Joe, it has a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder to the downside. Possible. So this could happen. We get stopped out. I see the floating emojis, the hearts, and everything else. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. But this is what I see. Potential coming up, coming down, or it could come down now. It doesn't really matter to me. But I need to see this level not break. This level with the magnet. I don't want to see this level break. 30.994. If it breaks, I get nervous. I was like, oh, maybe it's gonna come and take all of it. And let's see. But so far right now, it's doing good. Any other coins, guys? We got time for one more. One more. It's getting really hot in here. These heaters are really working. They're really working. Let's see here. Very nice. And JP says chilling on a short on Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I think we're gonna come up. There's a lot of buying pressure right here, 4-hour time frame. I think we still have room to come up. Maybe not as high as the 0.5, maybe just into this box. Right around 85.477. Then a pullback. And then let's see what happens. You know, does it bounce? We'll see. But I still have my, let's go to a smaller time frame on Bitcoin. Well, let's hide this. And let's hide, that's all we have. This is a bluffing. Okay. 15-minute time frame. Lots of junk on our chart. Let's delete our 7 drawings. 15-minute time frame. We are struggling. We are struggling so hard to maintain above 9 SMA, which is the white line, 30 SMA, which is the orange line, and the VWAP, which is the blue line. We are struggling I think we're gonna come down. You go up. Joe, you just said we're gonna go up. Calm down, calm down, calm down. I said calm down. I said calm down. I think we're gonna do this. It's so we went up, down, lots of buying and selling pressure both ways. Then up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So really small, kind of rolling over a little bit. I think potentially, well, this is what I think. I think we'll go up, then come down, and then, so let's get rid of this one. That's what I think. Now, if we do a fib retracement, 15-minute time frame, I'm looking for us to come. I really want to see it right here. And so what I'm doing is I'm always looking to the left. So whenever I draw these, the path tools, it's never just, oh, I think it look pretty cool if it does this. But I'm looking to the left and I'm looking where there's previous stops. So let's do this from here. Do I have stops here? Boring. Stops here. Boring. Tried that one already. Boring. I guess. Just so I can make one. So that's what I'm looking at. First to go up, come down, continue up. But if we do come down, then all of this right here serves as major resistance. But I think we'll break through it. That's what I think. Let's see here. Any questions, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, issues? We do 1 hour of free mentorship every single night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over Bitcoin. We go over your coins. And there are some times where we do a trade setup. If it looks good, if I think it looks good, then we'll take it. Right now, we're in a long on this coin. We called it when it was right here. Stop loss very tight, about 3%. And if we get stopped out, great, because then we can try it for a short. Because if it breaks this level, there's a really high chance we'll come down here about 28,939. Then if it breaks this level, which I hope it does, if we go down, I'm looking for us to take, oh, love this. Look at this. 27,647. The next level, around 2415. And beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. But since let's hide all this. Since we went up, had a nice pullback, and again, this coin hype has a lot of FOMO. The FOMO kind of cooled off a little bit, retraced beautifully, and now it's potentially coming up to continue the FOMO. Now, if the FOMO finishes, well, it starts with the break of a level to the downside. Level 1, oh crap. Level 2, oh crap. The next pivot that it creates and breaks that, oh crap. Level 3, moon mission to the downside, potentially. Again, none of this is financial advice. All of this is for entertainment purposes only. And we're getting our steps in. Right now, we've been stepping for 51 minutes. Going kind of slow. Don't want to work up a sweat. The speed is 1.0. And I believe we have traveled 0. Let me just double check. We have traveled, oh my gosh, it's going so slow. We have traveled at 0.85 miles. Let's go. Moon mission. And we just lost some people. They don't care about the steps. They just want to make money. It's okay. It is okay. Let's see here. Any questions, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. Or forever hold your peace. We were going to be ending the stream in about 5 minutes. And for some reason, Lunar Beaches Crypto doesn't come up on my thing anymore. I don't know what's going on with that. But sometimes we go to Lunar Beaches Crypto. If it's an early show, we'll go to Wave Cypher. We'll go to Road Dog. What everybody? Dave P is the best. Dave P is my favorite. Give you a heads up. Put the ones in the chat. Let's go. I love it. I love it. So here is a scalp trade. Unfortunately, I did not take it with you because I was already in the. I thought I got stopped out. I was already in the trade. My stop loss was extremely tight. That's why I thought I got stopped out. I actually entered it about 2 hours ago, I guess, right around about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. And I thought I got stopped out. And I think I only did like a 5x leverage, maybe a 3x. And right when I was going to do the order, I was on 50x leverage. The last time I traded hype was at 50x. Whoa. Tell me what not to do without telling me what not to do. Yeah, so I clicked OK or the green button buy, and I was like, oh, I held it and I moved it up and away, and it did not take it, which thank goodness. Granted, I would have been killing it right now, but no. I think I did like a 3 or 5x. So yeah, very cool. Let us look to see who is streaming. Let us look to see who's streaming. We dropped a few people, and that's okay. That is a-okay. They don't like to hear the talk about the steps. I like talking about it. I really do. Let's see here. We have, I love these guys. Space City Breaks. If you are a collector, cards, these are the guys to watch. They're awesome. And what makes me really love the show even more, it's a father and son, and you don't see that, man. You see the kid always on the phone, or you don't know what I'm going through, Dad, and slams the door. And I mean, they just have a beautiful relationship. Jealous? A little bit. My dad went out for some milk and cigarettes. Never came back. Never came back. But yeah, to me, that's just beautiful, man. Just beautiful. And I like watching they kind of joke around a lot and stuff. But Space City Breaks. Let's see here. I don't even see Road Dogg on here. What's going on? Maybe my stuff's messed up. Oh, here's Road Dogg. Oh, Crypto Squid coming up at 10:08. Let's go to Crypto Squid. We haven't been to his. I don't think we've done his. So let's go over there. Let's show our support, and same thing. Trade intuition raid. Let's jam out. Let's see what we see, and let's see if we can take some trades. So again, he starts in about 8 minutes. We're gonna go over there right now. Hopefully, hype up the chat. And smash the like, subscribe if you're not already. That's one thing I like doing, showing you different people who I like. And I like all these guys, I really do. Right now, we're gonna go to Crypto Squid and see if we can get to some other trades. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys are the absolute best. I love each and every one of you guys. I do this because I love doing this, but just having you here with me makes it just a little bit better. Thank you guys very much. One question I do have to ask. You ain't got no chicken wings? Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care. Now I gotta find that off button. Where is it? 56 minutes. We've been rocking and rolling on the stepper. 0.93 miles. I love it. Oh, here's the off button. Found it.